How to activate YouTube notification bell. So this is just a quick and very easy method on how we can activate it. First thing is you access your web browser and go ahead to your YouTube channel by going to youtube.com. Now click on your image or your account and then head over to YouTube Studio. Now once you're on the page, go to settings on the lower left of your screen and then click channel and go to advanced settings. This is the activation of your notification bell. You just have to make sure that you are on this option, which is no, set this channel as not made for kids. I almost never upload content that's made for kids. So once you tick on that, just click save, and that's how you activate your YouTube notification bell.